Hey, are you looking for a lightweight vacuum cleaner? I found this at Walmart. Now I have a very small space here. I don't really need a full-size vacuum cleaner, but I wanted to purchase a vacuum cleaner that can vacuum on carpet and, a solid floor, linoleum or tile, etc. So I found this Ionvac at Walmart. The price online was listed $22.88, and I was able to purchase it in store $22.88. So I just walked into a Walmart and they had some on their shelf, and I paid the same price as online. Sometimes you're able to do that with Walmart or Walmart, but not always. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it, try to unbox it, and quickly put it together. It's an Ionvac 3-in-1 design, upright to hand, vacuum cleaner in seconds, gyroscopic 180 degrees swivel, over 43 inches tall. It has 3 separate parts here. This is a pretty small box. In upright position, it includes a HEPA filter, powerful 12K suction, 20-foot cord, lightweight. It's only 5 pounds. Multi-surface cleaning. It will clean tile, hardwood floors, carpet, and upholstery. And it's a ZipVac, 2 times stronger suction. And then you see the other side of the box got different images of what. So it's got 3 separate parts. A handle. This would be one of the vacuums. A breakdown right here. So it's got a gyroscopic 180 degrees swivel, the extender tube and handle, a HEPA filter, the dustbin, and down here at the bottom, if you can see it, it has a floor extension. Okay, so it includes a ZipVac handheld base, an extender handle and tube, a dustbin HEPA filter, a slim nozzle, floor extension, and a user guide. Okay, so I'm going to open it up now, and it shouldn't take that long. I'll try to do it in this video. If not, I'll just pause it. Okay, so it has some tape on here that I can take off. So that shouldn't take that long. Okay, I think just 2. Come on. Oh, that one didn't come out all the way? Yeah. I might have to pause this video. Okay, now I think it'll come off. Okay, yeah, it doesn't have a fancy box. Here's another one down at the bottom. Okay, alright, now we can see the contents, and then let me, I don't want it to drop or anything like that, but let's see, I might have to. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well, probably not, but I can angle it like that. So it does have a user guide, and it should have instructions on how to put it together. It has a quick release code. Oh, you can register warranty. I don't really worry about that. It was only $22.88, but you can register. It does have a warranty card there. Okay. And the quick start guide right here. User guide. Okay, blah 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 blah. Cleaning using the vacuum. How about putting it together? What's in the box? Okay. Now let's see. This has some plastic. So it's got the 3-part. This is the main. If you just wanted it for it's not really like a car vacuum. I don't know if you could use it in a car. It's not considered a car vacuum, but if you can see it on screen, you could use it just this part alone. It's got the power cable, and it will vacuum stairs. So it's designed for carpet, and you can use it on stairs or whatever. I don't know if you could use it as a car vac. I'm not sure. Okay. So it just has plastic over that. And it just comes off really quickly. And then you've got this. And it's got a twist tie. And let's see, it's got a power button right there on off. And this is a release for the dust bin, looks like. It's pretty well made. It's only 5 pounds total. This is probably the heaviest. Now, I don't know what this button is for right here. That might be for when it attaches with the other part here. This is the floor part. It's very lightweight. ZipVac. None of the plastic is taped on. It just comes right off. Yeah, this is pretty lightweight. Got a little bit of rubber there, some wheels, and the attachment there. Not much to it. Now it has one part of the handle. Actually, it has 4 total parts, but if you consider the handle, very lightweight plastic. There's some screws. That's that. And then that plastic came right off. And this plastic slides right off. And this is the extender. Now, does it adjust? I don't think it does. Is that metal? That might be aluminum. Yeah, that might be just aluminum. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it... I'm going to pause the video, but I did show you all the parts here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put it together because you don't need to really watch that. That would take me a little bit longer. And then I'll be back, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate it on this carpet. And then behind me, there's actually... It's not tile, it's not linoleum. It is made out of like concrete floor, but I think it may work with it. It may or may not. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I was able to somehow, miraculously, put this vacuum together. What you have to do is this pole, the extender, you have to make sure you use the right end. The end with the clip, the shortest, goes down here. I had it the opposite. The end here, there's clips here, and so you just have to make sure that you have it the right way. Otherwise, it's going to be wrong. And then this button here is a release, so you can take the handle off. And then they do pull apart. It's not very rugged. And then the only thing is, in order to lean it back, you have to put your foot, and then it does lock into place. But when you just push it back, it doesn't extend. So you just do that. And it does have a tool too that I forgot to talk about right here. It's got a tool. I don't know if you can see that. The black piece right there is actually a tool that you would take out so that you can vacuum in corners and crevices. Okay, so let's see if I'm gonna demonstrate it now. I just have to push that back in. And it does swivel around. I don't know if there's a way to stop that. I don't really like that, but anyways. Whoops. It's really lightweight. I mean, this is just for temporary, or maybe you don't have much space. Like, I don't have that much space. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens here. Okay. And then you have to... And let's see if it's going to vacuum any carpet. You might not be able to see that. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Let's see if there's anything in the dust. Yeah, you may or may not be able to see that, but I can see it. There's stuff in there, so I know it works. There's already dust in there. So that's all I'm going to demonstrate with as far as carpet. It does have a tool. I'm not going to demonstrate that for corners and crevices. What else? Now I'm going to move the camera around, and it says it's designed for tile and linoleum floors. This is actually kind of like concrete flooring. So I'm not sure if it's going to work on this flooring or not. So I think you should be able to see that, I think. Yeah. You see that in there? Yeah, you should be able to see that. That's not tile. So maybe let me move this, and I'm going to quickly demonstrate that and see if I can tell if it's picking up anything off that floor. Yeah, I think it probably did pick up maybe a little bit off that. I'm a pretty clean person, but you know, you'd have to clean every day. I'm not that obsessed. But let me see if I can see. You know, there might be a little bit of dust, some hairs maybe. It probably did vacuum up, but it's not really designed for this kind of a floor. It's more for linoleum and tile, which is going to be synthetic. You know what I'm saying? It probably will be. It will suffice for what I need. And then as far as the carpet, whoops, let me turn the camera around. Oh, yeah, as far as the carpet now, yeah, it did pick some stuff up. And then all you have to do is, let's see, to take the handle, you just press on the screen here, and that will release the extender. And then now you're going to have the bottom, and I think that just pulls apart. And then now you got a big car vac. I don't know if you could use this as a car vac, but I don't know if you can really tell. This is the best camera. You'll just have to take my word for it, but there is dust in there, and there is some stuff from the carpet, so it does seem to pick up. I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but this is a small unit, and so for $22.88, can't really ask for much more, and it does have a tool right there for corners.